Known for stealing the limelight in the animal kingdom with its alluring mystique and intangible behaviour, represents a cohesive combination of strength and prowess, the mighty snow leopard. Possessing a ghost-like distinctive attribute, they conquer the rugged and ice-cold mountains like a king. So today we're unveiling the secrets of this mountain ghost, which are bound to astonish you. Let's get started with why they are called mountain ghosts. Snow leopards are astonishing life forms, commonly known as the ghosts of the mountain, due to their elusive behavior in high, remote, and cold mountains where they dwell. These powerful felines are seamlessly suited to the harsh and frigid climate up there. They can tolerate temperatures as low as -40 Celsius and as high as +40 Celsius during the summers. How do they make it through such extreme climatic conditions? Are they really ghosts? Veiled secrets of the snow leopard. Let's get the science here. Snow leopards have multifaceted adaptation techniques that help them persist the harsh winters high up here. Veiled with dense whitish-grey fur, with distinct black spots called rosettes, not only lights up their appearance by giving a rare finesse, but also supports them to retain body heat in icy temperatures and blend smoothly into the white snow to hunt and hide effortlessly. Fur is not their only quality. Their large and wide, fur-covered paws acts as a naturally inbuilt and insulated snow boots, apportioning their weight equally, which helps them to trek across the snow efficiently. Cats are known for their swanky and agile movements, which makes them adept hunters. Winter can present various challenges, and the paucity of prey can be one of them. To capture their prey, they tend to stalk them by conserving their energy for prolonged hours and ambush them when the moment is ripe. Minimal movement and maximum objective is their basic motto to survive the winter safe and sound. As the winter gives way to the hot and scorching summer, arises with a new set of challenges on the way. Snow leopards are renowned masters of camouflage. Their innate ability to blend in with the surroundings is an incredible natural bestowal. During summers, their fur turns yellowish-gray for ultimate protection and to hunt. They move to caves located on top of the mountains to escape the scorching heat. They have to locate a protective shelter as well as easily access water to keep themselves hydrated. Finding prey to sustain their stealth, avoiding the day heat is equally vital. As if that challenge is not demanding enough. They are as alluring as they seem and are considered rare and sparse due to their secretive nature, isolated habitat. According to the survey, there are roughly between 4,000 and 6,500 snow leopards remaining in the wild. Multiple reasons underlie their rarity. Do they justify the uncommonness of these majestic-looking felids? Jeopardized mountain ghosts. But the main reason is us, the humans. We humans can be absolutely invasive to the habitat and in general, various works that we indulge in such as mining, infrastructure development, factories and global warming has led to extreme wreckage and degradation of the snow leopard community in an extensive way. It does not stop there. Humans poach snow leopards for their fur and body parts. It is considered to be an integral part of Asian medicine, also in demand in illegal wildlife trade and affairs. Another big threat is that local farmers are brutally killing them for eating their livestock. From 1999 to 2002 in Kyrgyzstan, authorities seized 3 live snow leopard cubs and 16 skins, dismantled 330 traps, and apprehended 110 individuals involved in poaching. A covert operation by the police has revealed an illegal trade network linking Russia and China via Kyrgyzstan. Major skin trades were very common in Kashgar in Xinjiang. The skins are used in traditional dresses in Tibet and Mongolia. According to traditional Tibetan medicine, their meat is known to have medicinal properties that could cure kidney problems, and their bones were not let alone either. The Chinese and the Mongolians believe snow leopards' bones to be the treatment of rheumatism and other bone pain and injuries. Conservation efforts by multiple organizations and the government bodies are working effectively aiming to protect them from further endangerment. They're listed as vulnerable on the IUCN World Conservation Union's Red List of Threatened Species. The habitat of snow leopards. Let's delve into the reign of the snow leopards. They're spread all over Asia, particularly in the high mountain regions of Central and South Asia. During summers, snow leopards tend to live above the tree line on alpine meadows, meaning they ascend the mountain in search of a cooler spot above the edge of the forests. During winters, it's quite the opposite. They descend the mountains, move to the lower elevations in search of a safe and balmy spot. Snow leopards are found in several countries, including China, Bhutan, Nepal, Mongolia, and Russia. Snow leopards are skilled hunters, but what really makes them that? Astute hunters. These carnivorous felines are skilled hunters. Among their preferred prey are the Himalayan blue sheep, and nope, they are not actually blue. Other prey includes the Himalayan tahr, a type of wild goat, as well as the argali, another variety of wild goat, and the markhor. Their appetite varies by every season and prey availability. In Mongolia, they prey on domestic sheep and are an integral part of their diet, which comprises almost 20%. They could survive on a single Himalayan blue sheep for 2 entire weeks before hunting. Although snow leopards are known for their solitude way of life, they hunt better when they are in pairs, especially mating pairs. They target most animals in their range, except for an adult male yak. Keeping in mind adult male yaks can be intimidating and powerful and can cause serious injuries, which is not worth the aim because maintaining their stealth is vital to survive. This makes snow leopards selective hunters. They prefer hunting prey that offer a higher chance of victory and minimal efforts killing them. Life cycle and mating habitats of snow leopards. A snow leopard can live up to 15 to 18 years in the wild, and under proper care they can live about 25 years. They attain sexual maturity at 2 to 3 years. Snow leopards tend to produce a distinctive vocalization for communication and mating. However, they are not as loud as any other animals or other big cats like tigers or lions. These vocalizations include different pitches of hisses, growls, yowls, and sometimes even a series of chuffing noises. Other cues can be the effect of pheromones active during the mating season. Scratching, clawing trees, rubbing their scent on rocks are some of the ways snow leopards mark their scent, leaving a clear signal to the other snow leopards. Some of the cues are olfactory, while some can be visual. It is a known fact that they are renowned solitary animals. Their interactions with their mate is confined to the mating season. Males usually do not seek for another partner after mating due to the short mating period. The females will then gestate for around 90 to 100 days to litter 2 to 3 cubs in exceptional cases, even 7 sometimes. These cubs are all born blind and feeble. They are already born with a thick fur, weighing up to 320 to 500 grams. They open their eyes after a week and start to walk during the 5th week and are fully weaned at 10 weeks. They learn to move around alone after 2 to 4 months. The cultural and symbolic importance of snow leopards. Let's briefly examine the significance of snow leopards today. In Central Asia, snow leopards are often depicted in family crests and heraldry as a symbol of spirituality, power, grace, and strength. These majestic animals are also featured on some national flags as a representation of pride and resilience. Furthermore, the Kyrgyz people regard them as sacred, and the snow leopard is even used as the official emblem of Almaty, Kazakhstan's largest city. Everyone, that concludes our exploration of the mountain ghosts, covering their captivating beauty, natural habitats, and lifestyle. If you're interested in more wildlife insights, consider subscribing. Until next time, take care.